Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add WooCommerce products in the home page. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first make sure that you are in your admin panel in WordPress, and now all we need to do is just to go to the website builder, and simply if you are one of the simple ways to add your products to the homepage is to have, for example, a theme that has this feature already included. And basically, you can simply click on add new theme. You search for WooCommerce, so you can have the WooCommerce themes, and simply you can choose ones that have the products in the homepage. In my case, I already have Astra, and in my store, I already will find my products in the home page, and simply you can just choose anyone, and you can also start customizing on these pages of your website. And basically you will need just to go to the customizer or site builder, and of course it depends on the themes. If it has some customized site builder, you can use it, or you can use Elementor if it has Elementor or any other website builder. And from here you can just find the pages, and as you can see there is single page, search page. I can check the layout, etc. But what we want is simply to go back again to the site customize, and we can go to the homepage settings for the WooCommerce settings, and here we have the general. We can add the products catalog or single products. You can choose whatever you like. And also here I have the homepage settings. So my homepage can have, for example, as the shop, or you can it can display your latest post, or you can start adding new page to it and start adding your products to it. And basically you can also start having some either widgets, or you can add some code to your website, and basically some additional code that would allow to have your products that would be displayed here. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.